Hi there, Facebook and YouTube and all those different worlds that might see this. Oh, the light is gonna be a problem. 1 second. Sorry, guys. That's gonna be too dark. Oh, okay. I don't think the light will be a problem once I get off this camera screen. I'll just sit this way for a second. Sorry about that. I'm going to be doing an true unboxing, real-time unboxing of the Super Not Another Crap Kit by, Nerdy Crafter collaboration and Smart Art, which is now Muse Kits. It's gonna be a quick little video, and I'll do some recordings of what I decide to make with it, but I figured I'd do unboxing real quick. Here we go. What is that? So, here's the lovely box. Love the artwork she chose. And then, of course, and probably a lot of you have seen what it looks like inside, because this isn't only unboxing. Love the artwork on the tissue paper. Of course, the instruction booklet. I'm not going to open it because it has a QR code on it that is limited or is specific to the kit. But nice instructions, and there's a QR code for videos. Muse's kit for thank you for your order. Oh, well, it says stuck in a creative rut. You can get, because Muse sells craft kits. Smart Art was. Got this baggie. Sorry. Was super excited for these. They are pearl painted or mother rainbow oil spill, I believe is what they're called. Sculpting tools. And then a spatula, reusable, so I can mix up the stuff. A funnel, I'm assuming a collapsible funnel to fill the mold. A collapsible bowl, I'm not going to pull it out. Some rubber bands, a mixing collapsible bowl, rubber bands, a paint mixing bowl for, I'm guessing, the airbrush, the Your Brain My Grain sticker, wow, and popsicle sticks. I'm going to slide all this back in here to see why they're so awesome. And then nail files for filing the sculpture down if the kit if the mold has any rough edges that was made. So I'm going to set this aside. Oh, armature wire to make things stay put and fight gravity in the oven. Multimedia brushes with Nerdy Crafter's name. Come on, focus, camera. And Smart Art. There's her famous sharp pointy thing that she waves at you at every video. But it's a good wave. She just wants you to click all notifications while you're watching her lovely video. Wings mold. A palette, paint palette. A flat environment mold, so you can make things. Lazy Susan, I'm not opening it, but it's a pottery wheel. I call it a Lazy Susan. A measuring cup, I'm guessing, for the permastone. That's there. Clear Bond Cosclay Oven Cure Adhesive. The huge bag, 28 ounces of Permastone, which will be used for making or putting in the molds. A acrylic, I'm guessing this is actually the primer type thing, so the paints will set better on the clay because the clay is not a mold. It's a 3-part, and you'll get, or the rubber bands are to put them on. A pound block of Cosclay. A thing of plastic, dual-ended silicone and metal tipped sculpting, more sculpting tools. Placemat, airbrush paints, and the airbrush. I'm not opening all of that right now, but that is what comes in her lovely snack, or not super not another craft kit, which is a lot of stuff for the value.